Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with power fundamentals so you can eliminate easy faults fast. First, inspect the power brick LED and plug the console into a known good outlet. Inconsistent power often causes cycling. Once done, remove every peripheral, AV, external drives, accessories, so only the power and display remain. Make sure the power cable and the brick are snug. If you have a spare Xbox 360 power supply, swap it now to confirm whether the brick is the issue. Now you'll dig into thermal and internal checks that stop intermittent shutdowns. Start by feeling for heat at the vents and use compressed air to remove dust. Overheating triggers automatic power off. Make sure the console is on a flat, ventilated surface. If comfortable, open the case to receipt connectors and inspect for lifted solder or visible damage. Don't risk tools if unsure. Once done, boot with the HDD removed and minimal setup to isolate software or drive-related. Finish by reassembling and testing a full boot. If you reach the dashboard, backup data and run a factory reset to clear firmware issues. If the console still cycles, replace the power supply first. It's the most common hardware culprit. Otherwise, pursue board-level repair or professional reflow for persistent solder or GPU faults. Make sure to record any LED colors or flash sequences. That pattern is the key troubleshooting tip technicians use to identify specific hardware failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.